If your CRUA monitor suddenly has no sound, don't panic. This is one of the most common misunderstandings with CRUA displays. And today, you're going to fix it in just a few simple steps. First, here's what most people don't realize. Many CRUA monitors don't have built-in speakers at all, even though you'll see an audio or headphone jack on the back. That port does not mean the monitor can play sound on its own. It usually works only as an audio output, not a speaker system. A quick way to confirm this is by checking the back of your monitor. If you don't see speaker grills or volume buttons, that means there are no internal speakers. The audio jack is simply there to pass sound through to something else. So to actually hear audio, you'll need to plug in powered speakers or a headset using a 3.5mm AUX cable. Once you connect your external device, head over to your computer's sound settings. Right-click the speaker icon on your taskbar, open sound settings, and make sure the correct output device is selected. Sometimes Windows chooses the wrong device automatically, so selecting the monitor's audio output manually can instantly fix the issue. If your monitor is connected through HDMI or DisplayPort, make sure your system is sending audio through that cable. Not every HDMI or DisplayPort cable supports sound. Older or cheap cables may only transmit video. Swapping the cable can solve the problem instantly. Just remember this, the CRUA monitor's audio port is a pass-through, not a speaker. Once you connect actual speakers or a headset and select the right output, your sound will come through perfectly for games, videos, and music. And that's it. Now you know exactly why your CRUA monitor has no sound and how to fix it the right way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.